And there's currently a project within the OpenStack community called Tricircle. And today I have our lead engineer, who is also a core member of Tricircle, Huang Zhipeng. He will come out and talk to you more details about what this cascading OpenStack is about and the current status of Tricircle. Zhipeng. Can you hear? Maybe I should just stand next to you. Is this turned on? It should be on now.
Okay, hello. Okay. This is a nice crowd. I'm Howard Huang. So I'm currently the core contributor of the Tricircle project and also OPNFV Multisite, DPACC, and PTL of the OPNFV parser project. So today I will share with you guys how we open sourcing the cascading solution to the open source community. So first of all, just show of hands, how many of you guys went to yesterday's Multisite OpenStack deep dive session? Okay, I guess many of you just can't get in the room. You know, this is so crowded. So first of all, an overview of cascading OpenStack solution. So basically, we want to enable users to use one OpenStack instances to manage multiple OpenStack instances that is distributed across multiple data centers. Okay. So in this way, it enables you to have a unified management plan. The benefit of this method is that you could for example, you could automate, you could do automation of the network creation just across multiple sites using cascading. Okay, you don't have to manually connect side by side. I think another benefit is that when you use a cascading solution combined with, for example, OpenStack Magnum, and if you are familiar with Kubernetes, they are now proposing also a federation solution called Kubernetes. I think with OpenStack Magnum, you could actually just combine cascading and with Kubernetes to give you a really great multi-site federation solution. Okay. So so let me introduce some of the history. I think we introduced the whole concept of cascading OpenStack in Paris Summit. That's October last year, I think. And then earlier this year, we did the POC to see how many VMs, what's the scalability of cascading solution could support. And the POC shows that we could support the scalability up to, like you see in the slide, millions of VMs. That's really amazing. And in I think around June or July this year, we put our cascading's core architecture and contributed to the OpenStack community, which is called the Tricircle project. And we also, from our cascading practice, we also contribute some ideas to the requirement project in OPNFV Multisite project. So I think you could say that the open source cascading solution consists of the OpenStack Tricircle, which is the backbone, the architecture, and the OPNFV Multisite, which is the feature enhancement on the existing OpenStack components like Nova, Cinder, Neutron. Okay. Okay, I actually updated this slide, but okay, so I think you could search on Google. We have a wiki page about the Tricircle architecture. Actually, I think this is one Ayo and Pino showed yesterday. This is a experimental architecture. So the basic architecture we use in the POC would be to have a single standalone what do you call Tricircle service that serves as proxies that talks with the top OpenStack instance, the one you manage multiple OpenStack instances through. So the Tricircle service talks via RPC to with the top OpenStack instance, and then the top OpenStack instance use Tricircle services to manage all the what we call the logically bottom OpenStack distributed instances. Now, the figure here is still I think experimental, you could call it. We are still trying to modify and have more discussion about how the architecture would evolve. But the core concept would remain the same, that with Tricircle, we provide an, you could call extension as a service. So we provide a standalone service that when you use Tricircle, you could deploy your multiple OpenStack instances across multiple sites in a cascading way. Okay. Okay, that's sorry for I misunderstand. John Wayne was.
John Wayne is back. No, it's not. It's Clint Eastwood. I have to keep saying it's Clint Eastwood. It's not John Wayne. Okay, so in summary, we know that OpenStack actually offers a very good open cloud platform for telcos to deploy their IT and innovate services. And however, the nature of telco is multi-data centers. So the project Tricircle is very important to meet telco's requirements, and we hope that project will move faster and then upstream to the community so telcos can fully take advantage of that. However, in order for telco to fully deploy IT as a service, there needs to be a lot more automation that needs to be done, and also in the hybrid cloud area that the